How to fix Play Store verify purchase with fingerprint or face. So first here you need to go to your Android setting. As you go to your phone setting, now if you need to go to the app, then go to manage app. Now if you need search for the Google Play Store, after that here you need to assemble start, click on the first option. You can see Google Play Store and go to clear cache, and here in the declare all the clear cache and clear all the data from the Google Play Store. You can see after that go to the app permission and allow or receive all the record permission for the Google Play Store. So you can see let me do that. So after a link or resetting all from mission here, you simply go there and force to stop the application. And go ahead and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Menu will appear, and from here you will want to select settings. You can see now to that go to the purchase verification option or tap on it. Now you can find the biometric verification here and simply turn off that, then tap on confirm. After that here you need to simply just to go to verification frequency and set it to never. Now here you need to restart your Google Play Store or your Android. After that this will be fixed. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tutorial, and drop any questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.